Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add an Amazon affiliate link to your WordPress blog in 2025 step by step. If you are a part of Amazon Associates program and now you want to start earning from your blog, this is the easiest way to do it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and open your Amazon Associate dashboard. From there, you need to basically get the link and you need to get the HTML code which you can basically add in your WordPress website. Now, once you are here in your WordPress website, you need to hover over to the plugin section, click on the option of add plugins. Over here, you need to search for Elementor and you need to download and install and activate the Elementor website builder. Once this step is done, simply hover over to the post section and click on the option of add post. Over here you can basically write your content, and when you want to add the product link you can highlight the text and click on the link icon in the toolbar. So for that, click on this plus icon here and now you can browse HTML and you can also search for the option of link here. So here we have different kinds of buttons. You can click on the buttons option and you can just simply write something like this, click here. Now whenever someone click on this button, they will be redirected on the link that you have added over here. So click on it and then click on this link option. Over here you need to paste that link and click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So this way you will be able to add your Amazon affiliate link to your WordPress blog in 2025. You can also customize it more with the help of the edit with Elementor option. This is the page builder and the website builder which you can use absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.